Hello, I'm Sam Horn, and this is this week's version of our Better newsletter. Our aha comes from Paul Brandt, who said, "Don't tell me the sky's the limit when there are footprints on the moon." Our anecdote comes from a time years ago when I was in New York trying to catch a cab to go to the airport, but it was raining and there were no cabs to be found. I was gonna miss my plane, and I called my son Andrew, who lived in New York at the time, and said, "Help." And he said, "Mom, call an Uber." Well, they were new, and I'd never heard of them at that time, but 10 minutes later, I was in a nice dry Uber on my way to the airport. Now think about it. Some people say there's nothing new under the sun. Of course there are new things under the sun. There are if you turn your idea into something that is I, innovative, D, delivers a unique solution to an urgent problem, E is easy to understand and remember, and A, actionable if it actually turns concept into something that's concrete. If you would like this idea test to see if your idea is commercially viable before spending a lot of time and money and effort on it, go ahead and respond to us at sam@samhorn.com, and we'll send you our infographic with those four criteria, I.D.E.A, to see if you've got an idea that could become the next Uber. Until next week, I'm Sam Horn. Here's to being better.